Once upon a time, there lived a young man in a village. He was struggled by the habit of not being able to forget all bad memories. He would always keep thinking about the same thing over and over again. If someone said something to him or something went wrong with him, he would just keep thinking about the incident all the day. The same thing kept swirling in his mind all the time. Then he would either curse his luck and God for some bad incident that happened in his life. He would keep thinking of taking revenge on the person who had said something wrong to him or did something wrong with him. Because of his overthinking habit, he did not have good relations with people. Also, he did not know how to do any work well. He was always in a state of stress or mental disturbance. Seeing his condition, a friend of him advised him that his Zen master lived in a nearby Buddhist monastery. So you go to him, he will definitely give some solution to his mental problem. The young man went to the Zen master and explained his problem to him. He told him about how he kept thinking about the same event over and over again and cannot forget the old bad memories. After listening to the young man's problem, without giving any answer, the Zen master got up and went inside the monastery. Leaving him like this, the young man felt a bit strange, but he waited there for him to return. After a while, the Zen master came back with a glass of water in his hand. The Zen master came and stood near the young man. The young man also stood in front of him. The Zen master was holding a glass of water in his hand. He straightened his arm and asked the young man, "Tell me how much this glass weighed." The young man said, "I cannot tell exactly, but the weight of this glass is very little." The Zen master said, "All right. Now my question is that what will happen if I hold this glass like this for 1 minute?" The man said, "Nothing will happen." The Zen master said, "All right. Now what if I hold this glass for an hour?" The young man said, "Master, your hand and your arm will start aching." Then master again said, "Okay. Now what would happen if I hold this glass of water for a full day?" The young man said, "Master, your arm could go numb. You might have severe muscle stress and paralysis, and you might have to go to the hospital." Zen master said, "Great, but did the weight of the glass change in the meantime?" The man said, "No, master, the weight did not change." "Then why was there pain in the arm and ache in the muscle?" The boy kept quiet. "What should I do now to get rid of this pain?" The Zen master asked again. The man said, "It is very simple, just put the glass down." The Zen master said, "Exactly. That's what I wanted to hear." Then he put down the glass and said, "You see, my son, life struggles are just like this. People pays too much attention to the life's problems. If you keep it in your mind for a while and then leave it, you will feel that everything is fine. If you think about it for more than a while, then you will start to suffer. And if you keep thinking about it all the day, then it will start to torture you. And then you will be full of anxiety, stress and depression. And you won't be able to concentrate on anything else." If we see in our lives, then we will find that we all go through struggles in our lives. But it does not mean that we keep thinking about it all the time. Rather, it is important to learn from your past mistakes and move forward in your life. If you keep on holding, do the same thing just like that glass of water, it will only cause pain in your life. Therefore, it is important to remember to let go of your stress and worries. No matter what happens during the day, as early in the evening as you can, put all your burdens down. Don't carry them through the night and into the next day with you. If you feel the weight of yesterday's stress, then it is a strong sign that it is the time to put the glass down. Thank you.